Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Pakistan elected to UNSC. Recently, Pakistan was elected as a non-permanent member of the UNSC, that is United Nations Security Council. It was elected with massive support, securing 182 votes out of 193 in the General Assembly, surpassing the required two-thirds majority. Pakistan will start a 2-year term on 1st January 2025. This will mark Pakistan's 8th term in the UNSC. The other countries elected were Denmark, Greece, Panama, and Somalia. Pakistan will replace Japan, join the UN Security Council. The non-permanent members elected last year in 2023 were Algeria, Guyana, South Korea, Sierra Leone, and Slovenia. India's last term as a non-permanent member on the Security Council was for 2021 to 2022. Let's know more about United Nations Security Council. UNSC is one of the 6 principal organs of the United Nations. It plays a crucial role in maintaining international peace and security. It was established by the UN Charter in 1945. The Council has 15 members, 5 permanent, United States, United Kingdom, Russia, China and France, and 10 non-permanent members elected for a 2-year term. The 10 non-permanent seats are distributed on a regional basis. It is headquartered in New York, United States. Now it's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which among the following is not a permanent member of the UNSC? China, France, Germany, or United Kingdom? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.